Hey guys, coming to a new week in the market right now. I thought we should do something kind of different. Okay. Now I've been posting analysis, technical wise. But the most questions I get on my YouTube channel is basically about psychology. So uh, we're not going to touch on technicals for today, okay? So it's going to be a pure psychological or psychology session, okay? So um, the first thing you need to know about becoming a consistent trader, okay, is that it comes in two phases. There are two things you need to become a profitable forex trader. The first thing you need a technical system, okay, and the second thing you need a trader's mindset, which is psychology. Now, these two, okay, what just happened? Okay, sorry about that, guys. So, like I said, you need a trader's mindset as well. So, these two is what makes up a winning trader. These two factors are what makes you a winner. Now, you can have but they don't go without the other. That's something you have to keep in mind. They don't go without the other. You can have a great technical system. Okay, you can have a great technical system if your mindset is not if you don't have the right mindset for trading, you are going to lose overall. Okay, now you can have the right mindset, you can be the greatest, your psychology could be on point, but if you have a shitty system, you are going to lose overall. So they go hand in hand. Now, I've more or less been talking about technical systems all through this channel, but something I haven't really touched more about is the mindset, trading mindset. So, um, one thing you need to know about trading mindset or trading psychology is that um, it only trade your trading psychology only has to do with three points actually. Okay, and those 3 points, they are okay. Sorry about this, guys. I have to. Okay, let's just yeah. So trading mindset has to do with 3 points. How you think in the market. That's the main point. And the main point is made up of three categories. How you think when you are in a winning trade, when in a win. Okay. How you think when you are in a losing trade. And again, how you think when it's time to do nothing. So these three categories are what makes up the trader's mindset. Because how you think when you're in a win goes a long way, okay, as far as how well you are going to win. How you think when you are in a loss, okay, or you are in a losing position, goes a long way as to how far you can accept that loss and cut your losses early, okay. How you think when it's time to do nothing, because most of the times your trading strategy is going to give you series of times where you have to sit on your hands and watch the market. Now, most people always try to chase action within the market, and they won't really want to sit on their hands. They are thinking they can go down to a lower time frame to get a position. They can find some kind of signal. They will start looking for signals that are not there. Do you understand? So this is this is just basically what trading psychology is all about. This is what trading psychology is about, because When most people are in a winning trade, okay, they look at the profits they've made, okay, they look at the profit they've made, and they fear that the market is going to take the um, profits they've made from them. So they make trading errors. All right, that's one. Now, when they are in a losing trade, they hope. Okay, let's put it here. They fear. Okay. The next one is when they are in a losing trade, they hope that the market will come back and make them whole. I hope you guys are getting this. When most people are winning, okay, they are afraid that the market will come back and take away the money that they've made so far in that winning position. Okay. And when they are in a losing position, they hope that the market will come back and make them whole, which could lead to some trading errors. Now, the main emotions here is fear, fear in general, fear. Now, the mistakes that come out from you when it's time to do nothing and looking for actions within the market is basically fear as well, the fear of missing out, as most people call it, FOMO. They call it FOMO. So that's the fear of missing out. So they are like, okay, their system is telling them not to do anything right now, but they feel like they're missing out on something. They feel like they're missing out on money in the market, and that's not it. You are following the rules of your system, and that's basically what the market is all about. Following the rules of your system, so you can make the most of um your trading. You can make the most of that system to guarantee your win overall, your win over time. Okay. So now, um, now the mistakes most people make here is they allow the fear of losing a winning position, the fear of losing money, and the fear of missing out control their trading. So let's say a trader is more or less bullish. Now let's say he bought at this higher low. The market is now pushing to the upside, make the higher high, and we're not seeing a retracement. Out of fear, the trader now closes his position right here. Let's say the trader closes his position right here. Now, the market didn't give a signal to close the position. As you can see, let's say the market is trading at higher highs and higher lows, and it was buy. It was let's say the trader was buying, and it was in the correct direction of the market. The market didn't give a signal to get out of the trade. The emotion of fear triggered the trader to close this position because now he wasn't trading the market that was trending up and it was correct. What he was trading was his emotions. So that's basically what most people do. They don't trade the market, they trade their emotions. So what we have to do is stay conscious on the chart enough to know that okay, yes, I'm not trading you are going to feel these emotions. I've worked with so many people in my community that when they come in, they'll go through this up and down of emotional trading that we have to now walk through them. Okay. Uh, and most of my mentors that I've actually learned from, they've actually gone through all this. And one thing they always share is that make sure you are trading the market and not your emotions. I'm going to write that down here. Make sure you're, you're trading the market, not your emotions. Not your emotions. So it's perfectly normal to see your win, okay, the money you've made reduce in the market because how else can you make more money if the market doesn't trend? Everybody knows the market trends, but within this trend, catching making the most of a trend, making the most of a trend is actually comes with a lot of discipline, mindset wise. Now it doesn't have to be the technical aspect of the trade; it has to be the mindset aspect of the trade to hold this. So now this trader now he was right. He bought at a higher low. The market made a higher high. And to actually make the most of it, knowing that we're on an uptrend, we could be expecting a higher high. Do you understand? So, closing this trade out of the fear of giving back the profits he has already made, without a signal from the market. Now, let's say there are two scenarios that will go into this. Now, he closes the trade and the market continues to the upside. He will start feeling pain and anger for closing his position early. Okay. And in hindsight, that's when they start making the realization that, wow, okay, we're in a buyer's market. I bought at a higher low. The market was just making a retracement and I could have held my position. I hope you guys are getting me. So, the trading psychology is basically just making sure you are not trading your emotions and focus on trading the market. Let the market give you the signal. Like something I always tell my students that work with me: let the market prove you wrong. If you are in the buy position and the market is pushing to the downside, you already have your stop losses in place. You've already done your analysis. You know, okay, if the market passes this area, that's when I'm wrong. Then why go and end the trade prematurely when you don't know what's going to happen next in the market? That's just it, guys. So this is just a quick brush off on what psychology is. Now this there's a lot more to what trading psychology or the trader's mindset covers. I'm just doing my best to give a brief insight coming into this new week so you guys will have a mental tool to apply into your trading. So yeah, that's technical runner here, guys, and I will see you guys um later. Have a good trading day.